In today's dynamic software industry, integrating payment solutions is vital for enhancing the user experience. Software companies stand at a crossroads, choosing between whether or not they brand or white label their integrated payment solution. This choice is more than a technicality. It's a strategic move that shapes customer perception and trust. A branded approach where the payment process aligns seamlessly with the software company's own branding is increasingly favored. This method doesn't just streamline the user experience, it reinforces customer trust and encourages wider adoption of the integrated payment service. By embedding payment solutions within the familiar ambience of the brand, software companies can offer a more cohesive, reassuring, and user-friendly interaction, pivotal in today's competitive market. Such integration not only simplifies transactions, but elevates the overall value proposition of the software, making an integral part of the customer journey. Deciphering branded and white-labeled integrated payment experiences. In the realm of integrated payments, navigating the choice between branded and white-labeled experiences is key. Branded experience. Here, the integration of payment solutions is seamless, echoing the software's brand's identity at each step. The company's logo, color scheme, and communicative tone are infused into the payment process, ensuring a cohesive user experience that resonates with the brand's essence. The strategy not only maintains brand integrity, but also nurtures customer familiarity and trust throughout the sales process. White-labeled experience. Conversely, white labeling offers an intriguing alternative. It allows companies to adopt third payment party solutions, yet rebrand them as their own. This approach is akin to tailoring a pre-made, high-quality suit with a personal label. It affords software companies the flexibility and ease of using established payment platforms while maintaining a consistent appearance to the end user. Each approach, be it branded or white labeled, offers unique advantages in creating a synchronized and trusted integrated payment environment for customers. The strategic advantages of branded or white labeled payment solutions. Choosing between branded or white labeled payment solution is a pivotal decision for software companies, pivotal in enhancing user experience and solidifying brand trust. Here's why these strategies are invaluable. 1. Seamless customer experience. Integrating a payment process that mirrors a company's existing brand architecture reduces customer friction significantly. Users feel reassured and comfortable when the payment interface aligns with the familiar aesthetics and functionality of the software that they trust, minimizing confusion that often accompanies third-party payment gateways. Number 2 is simplified, unified offerings. A one-stop shop approach is immensely beneficial. Integrating payment solutions with the familiar ecosystem of a brand means users enjoy a consolidated, secure experience. This holistic approach not only simplifies transactions, but also strengthens the overall user journey, reinforcing the software as a comprehensive solution. Number 3 is capitalizing on established trust. For users already reliant on a software product, their trust in the brand is a valuable asset. Extending this trust to integrated payments under the same brand umbrella naturally boosts user confidence. It assures customers that their transactions are as reliable and secure as the software they initially invested in. Number 4, emphasizing value over cost. A branded payment solution shifts the focus away from mere transactional costs to the overall value proposition of the software. It's about delivering an enriched, inclusive user experience where payment integration is perceived as an added benefit rather than a standalone feature. Number 5 is maintaining brand integrity. Utilizing a third-party payment services risks fragmenting the user experience, potentially eroding the software's credibility. A branded or white-labeled solution, in contrast, ensures a cohesive brand narrative across all user touchpoints, safeguarding the company's image and user trust. Opting for a branded or white-labeled payment solution is not just a technological decision, but a strategic move towards crafting a more integrated, trust-centric user experience. It's an approach that aligns with evolving customer expectations, prioritizing convenience and brand consistency, crucial in today's competitive software market. Navigating the intricacies of liability and complexity in integrated payment solutions. The integration of payment solutions within a software's offerings often brings a sense of trepidation for most companies. Concerns about complexity and liability are paramount, yet these can be deftly navigated with the aid of a knowledgeable and resourceful payments partner. Here's a deeper dive into how the right payment partnership can alleviate these concerns and facilitate a seamless sales cycle. Understanding the technology and infrastructure needs. The backbone of any successful integrated payment solution is robust technology and infrastructure. Software companies often face the daunting task of creating this infrastructure from the ground up, a process fraught with complexities and significant resource allocation. Here are some key considerations. Customization versus standardization. A balance needs to be struck between bespoke solutions, tailored to specific needs, and standardized ones that offer broader applicability and ease of integration. Security and compliance. With payment security, it's not just a feature but a foundational necessity. Navigating PCI compliance, data encryption, and fraud prevention measures is a complex but essential task. Next is scalability. The technology must not only meet current needs but also be scalable to accommodate future growth and evolving marketing demands. Next is sales, support, and resource allocation. Beyond technology, the value of a payment partner extends into the realms of sales support and resources. This holistic approach is essential in alleviating the burden from software companies, allowing them to focus on their primary offerings and core business. Next is sales expertise. Payment partners can provide invaluable insights into market trends, customer preferences, and effective sales strategies specifically tailored to payment solutions. This expertise can significantly boost a software company's ability to sell integrated payment services. Next is support systems. Comprehensive support mechanisms are critical, especially when dealing with payment-related queries and issues. A payment partner should offer robust support, both technical and customer-facing, to ensure a smooth experience for end users. Next is resource allocation. Access to specialized resources, human, technological, or informational, can drastically reduce the overhead involved in setting up and managing payment solutions. This support can range from API integrations to regulatory guidance, all aimed at simplifying the process for the software company. Operating behind the scenes, maintaining brand integrity. The most effective payment partners understand the importance of a software company's brand integrity. They operate discreetly, allowing the brand to remain at the forefront while they handle the complex intricacies of payment processing. This approach ensures that the customer's experience with the software remains untarnished by payment-related complexities, with the software company's brand taking center stage in every transaction. Seamless integration. The payment solution should feel like a natural extension of the software, not an add-on. This requires meticulous work in ensuring that the branding, user experience, and customer journey are consistent and uninterrupted. Handling operational challenges. From managing fluctuating transaction volumes to addressing regulatory changes, a capable payment partner shoulders these challenges efficiently. They do so without disrupting the core functionalities and branding of the software they are partnered with. Next is maintaining agility. In an ever-evolving digital landscape, agility is key. The right payment partner not only adapts to changes swiftly, but also ensures that the software company is always ahead of the curve with minimal disruption to their operations. In essence, a strategic partnership with a proficient payments partner transforms the daunting task of integrating payment solutions into a manageable, efficient process. This partnership allows software companies to transcend the complexities and liabilities associated with payment integration, fostering an environment where technology, support, and brand integrity coalesce to create a streamlined, secure, and user-centric payment experience. For software companies delving into the intricate world of integrated payment solutions, the crucial choice between a branded or white-labeled approach pivots on enhancing customer experience, reinforcing trust, and ensuring consistent brand messaging. Tackling apprehensions about complexity and liability, a competent payments partner can pivot these concerns into strategic advantages, opting for a method that resonates with the company's ethos and customer expectations, paves the way for expansion, loyalty, and distinct market presence. Ultimately, choosing a branded or white label payment solutions transcends basic functionality. It symbolizes a deep-rooted commitment to the customer's journey, echoing the brand's promise and nurturing a reliable, fluid, and comprehensive service experience. This decision isn't merely operational. It's a strategic move that defines a company's identity in the competitive digital landscape, urging a reassessment of current strategies and inspiring decisive action towards customer-centric growth. For more tips and insights to elevate your integrated payment strategy, visit us at next.io.